All right, so congratulations, we won the deal, right? And so now we're installing and have installed the patient monitoring systems. By the way, we can track that project as well inside of Salesforce. That's an important piece of the mechanism for you. And give us a call. We'd love to. We have another video on that. We'd love to show you how that works. But once it's out there, we've also got the ability to track those assets. These assets created or became kind of assets when I closed and won the quote. So winning the quote, the act of winning the quote, creates these assets for me. And now I know what this particular customer has of our products. I know the serial number. I know when it was installed, and I've got some basic information about the overall sort of install base at University Orthopedic. Things happen in the field, right? So our equipment breaks down, or we have software errors, or users have issues. You know, if they're seeking guidance, we can solve those problems remotely through case management in Salesforce. But a lot of the times, we have to go out and fix those. And so Salesforce has another tool called Field Service Lightning, FSL, that will give me the ability to manage and create and manage work orders, and then schedule techs out in the field to ultimately resolve those problems. Let's jump into how that works, but first kind of a quick, in my imaginary demo, I created some work orders based on the patient monitoring system. You see those over here on the side. We're going to jump into FSL, and I'm going to show you how we dispatch a distance. And so here you see Salesforce's Field Service Lightning tool. I've got 5 different service appointments living over here on the side that I'm about to schedule. I've got 1 service tech territory in Connecticut, and although this is a demo org and I've only got 1, I'm going to show you a picture here in a second of an actual client's Field Service Lightning page. But essentially, I can drag these into the schedule myself, or I can run a job that will automatically schedule these for me. So if I pick all here and hit schedule, basically everything that was put together from a scheduling perspective for the day across my clients in Connecticut are going to get that. You can kind of see them here getting scheduled in the system dynamically on Thursday. Salesforce figures out what my schedule looks like, what my workload looks like, takes into consideration my coffee breaks you're about to see, and then captures that information and loads up those appointments for me. This is kind of a small example because we're only looking at it in a single, for a single rep. That's all I could do in a demo org. Here's an example of a page from an existing customer right now that's using it. And so you can see all the different techs out here in the field. You can see the different statuses based on the service appointments out here in the schedule. These tailing lines tell me how long it's going to take to travel to the customer. The color codes indicate what kind of work order it is. So all of this information to get that scheduled and out in the field is available through Field Service Lightning. And we can set that up to get your field techs more confident and more mobile kind of in the system, using it as they go out into the field and fix and repair and update and maintain and enhance